Do you remember how a few months ago Tyson and I gave you a tour of a fantastic villa in the Côte d'Azur near Monaco? I'll link the video above now for those who haven't seen it. Well, today we are doing something very similar but in St Tropez. We have come to an amazing Airbnb villa here with 4 bedrooms, a swimming pool, a huge garden, and you are about to get a tour. Let's go! Wow, the first thing I'm noticing is space, space, space. This is a huge area for Tyson to run around in, so already I think he's quite excited and very happy. And also I need to go feel that water in the swimming pool. It's perfect. Last time when I gave you a tour of the villa in Roquebrune, the water was still too cold, but now we're in July, so I think I will have to go to dip later. Let's continue on this way. I think we're going to do the whole garden first, and then we're going to go inside and do the entire interior of the villa. And there's also a game room and a pool house. Oh my word, this thing's endless. Wait, hi. Are you happy? Are you happy, my boy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Oh, he loves it here. Come on. You know those real estate agents who are really excited about what they're showing you? Tyson's one of those. Tyson and I are also noticing that there are a lot of places to just sit and chill. There's this area, there's the area with the cushions over there where you can tan, there are sunbeds, there's a little table with 2 chairs on that side, and then obviously this is a huge open space where you can directly go inside the villa without even having to open doors or climb up steps. It's actually really convenient. So I think now is the time where we go in, and I'll show you guys the living room and the kitchen. I love this, by the way. I noticed this yesterday. Basically, when it gets dark, you've got reflections of light that go vertically from the lamp outwards, and it covers the entire ceiling. It's really quite stunning. And the other favorite part is the snacks. Obviously, this is the first thing that I noticed when I came here. Not sure who put these here, but whoever it is, they know me well. Haribos, yes. Kit Kats, I may have brought these, also yes. Doritos, hand-cooked English crisps. I think this is the odd one out. If this is a game where you have to find the odd one out, this would be it. If I want a prize, I am ready to receive it. And if not, well, this was just a cruel joke. Okay, let's continue on. Nice modern kitchen over here, all the appliances already built in, so that's really handy. I know a lot of people that rent out villas and then bring their own chefs, so this would be a great place to do that. I would be somebody who doesn't bring a chef but that also doesn't cook, so I would physically live off Kit Kats, Haribos, and Pringles for the entire week. So, you know, that's always a good option too, if you're looking to really get in shape for the summer. Down we go into the first bedroom. Very nice. I'm loving the blue walls, very calming and peaceful. Ooh, and it's got its own private balcony. So you wake up and the first thing you do is you go outside and you tan. But I think I would prefer the downstairs bedroom for myself personally if I were to stay here, because it's got a sort of terrace that goes right out into the garden, so it's great to just let Tyson out in the morning. I'll show you. So yes, this is what I mean. So you just open this up in the morning, and then off you go, and you're basically outside on the ground floor. The great thing about this bedroom for me is that it also has an ensuite bathroom, which the other one didn't. So you go right through there, and it's nice and spacious, and you're sort of like the only person here. I'm not doing a bedroom count this time because I actually know how many bedrooms there are. There are 4. This is the 3rd one. Let's go and see this one. This one is quite similar to the first one that we saw in the sense that you get your own balcony. But what stands out to me is these lamps. How cool are these? Look at them. I would definitely have one of these. Oh wow, I love it. So even though you're not exactly on the beach here, this gives you the feeling that you are. You're about 10 minutes drive away from the port here and about a 15-minute drive away from St Tropez. So we're actually near Primo rather than near St Tropez itself here. Beautiful area. And now we enter the master bedroom. And as we enter, I'm seeing lots of closet space. So already this is my favorite. Wow, look at that. So the moment you wake up, you basically have the option to dive right into the swimming pool. Or you can go out here and you have this nice table. So you can have breakfast out there and then walk through the bedroom and dive into the swimming pool. Let's see the bathroom. This is one that I've seen in pictures. And the thing that I thought when looking at this is, wow, that's a really thin bath. Like, you have to be pretty much a tiny person to fit in this, but actually looking at it, it's fine. It's okay, it'll do. I'm excited for this one. We are entering the pool house now. Frankly, the pool house is one of my favorite parts about this villa. You've got this huge projector with a cinema style screen on the side. So you just sit there and obviously you fill up the table with the snacks that we've seen earlier and you watch your favorite movie, your favorite TV show, and it's all pretty much in the comfort of your own home. You could do it during the day, you could do it during the evening, and I'm loving these sort of African themed artworks that we've got around the property as well. They just bring me back to my days in Africa. So that's a personal connection that I'm feeling as well. And obviously you've got the kitchen in the background, which you can see behind me, and you can stock that up with your favorite snacks, with food, so you don't have to go back and forth to get your favorite goodies while you're watching the movie. Right, my boy? Oh. We have to continue the tour, my boy. We must continue the tour, Ty. Okay? Okay, let's continue the tour. On we go. On we go to the games room. Let's go. I thought this would be a rather perfect introduction to our journey into the games room. Follow me. Hello, Kaya. Well, it seems we have reached an impasse. As we walk into the games room, I'm noticing a very prominent interest here, which is foosball, which I happen to be terrible at. So terrible that one time I was beaten by someone who only used one hand. But that only happened once. Twice. Fine, it happened like 20 times. I suck so badly that you can beat me even using no hands. Let's go here, where we have the front half of a motorcycle. So in case you've come to the villa with just the back end of your own motorcycle, you've got the front half here, so just join the two together and off you go. Great success! A table where I will sit and not play foosball and admire this beautiful view, and a circus poster, because why not? That's as much as I'll ever play. And if you're wondering how much it is to stay in this villa, it's just over €1,000 a night. So what do you think? Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Comment on this video below. And now it is time for me to leave you guys. Tyson is settling down nicely, so I think it's time for both of us to just chill and maybe take a swim. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.